can you tell us a little bit about this innovative piece of equipment we're about to see?
Yeah, absolutely, Megan. So what we have for you today is our newest autonomous scrubber, the X4ROVR. Since Tennant started its robotic journey in 2017, we have since deployed 7,000 autonomous scrubbers into the marketplace today. The X4, however, is our most nimble to date. It's backed by 150 years of innovation and expertise, and it's built to evolve your business from the ground up. What we've done is we've combined Tennant's time-tested hardware with Brain's cutting-edge technology and rolled it into our very first fully autonomous machine. Its game-changing size, agility, and adaptability will further your cleaning practices and have a direct impact on your business.